Okay, I think it's already 2:30. Can we begin now, Dr. Chu? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, that's good.
Mm.
Right. Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to Dr. Saiful Adli bin Ismail, Head of Soft Trust Research Group, our program speaker and instructor, technologist Dr. Chu Chao Sheng, lecturers, students, and friends. Thank you all for joining us today. My name is Hazlifah and I will be your MC for today's program titled Enhancing Research Process Using Productivity Tools. And this 2-hour program aims to equip researchers, the staff and students with practical e-research skills to facilitate the research process. Dr. Chu will discuss e-research skills, including applications that aid comprehension, writing, paraphrasing, proofreading, and smart citation. Before we proceed, I would like to invite Dr. Saiful to give some welcoming remarks. Over to you, Dr. Saiful.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Hazlifah, and good afternoon to all of you, and especially for our honorable speaker, Technology Dr. Chiu from UiTM Malacca, right?
Yeah.
Welcome again. Datang.
Thank you.
And also thank you to each and every one of you for being here with us today. My hope is for this webinar can help all the researchers to speed up their writing, especially to produce research proposal, thesis writing, and journal research paper. That's our intention. And then hopefully Dr. Chu can help the researchers here. And then without further ado, I hand over to the session to Dr. Hazifah. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Saiful. Very short and sweet. Okay, we will now begin with the webinar, Enhancing Research Process Using Productivity Tools. Just a little note before we get started. If you have any questions during the session, you may either switch on your mics and ask, or you may type them in the chat panel and I will bring them up. We will also have time for questions at the end. The link to the attendance and feedback form will be available 3:30 p.m. onwards. So before I pass the microphone to Dr. Chu, let me share some information about him. Okay, Dr. Chu received his PhD in Computer Science in Cognitive Science from the University of Malaya. He is a senior lecturer and researcher at the Faculty of Computer and Mathematical Sciences, University Technology Mara, Melaka. His areas of research are computer science in education, computer-aided learning, and cognitive science. Dr. Chu is experienced in conducting e-research workshops such as e-research skills, facilitating the research process. Without further ado, I hand over the session to Dr. Chu. The floor is yours, Dr. Chu.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Hazifah, and also thank you, Dr. Saiful. Okay, so let me start the section already. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so let me share the screen first. Okay, you all can see my screen. Can see my screen? Okay, can.
Yes,
Okay, good.
Dr. Chu.
Okay, so I would like to set some house rules first. Okay, first, if you have any questions, right, please write down in the chat box also can. And usually after I demonstrate one or two software, I will really go check the message first, and then we will discuss the questions. Or after I finish one section of the topic, then we can directly jump to that discussion also can. So you can ask any question related to the software as well. Okay. Okay. And I would like to bring some good news for you all later on. There is two software like that. You later on the software company they agree to give the UTM's graduate student and also the staff for a free trial of 1 month. So later on, I will give you all the instruction on how to get it, but it's only for the new user lah. So that means your email address need to be graduate.utm.my or either at utm.my. Okay, so later on when I demonstrate that software, and then I just give you the instruction on how to do it. So you all can give a try lah. Usually that software, if you want to purchase, you have to put a credit card. But now they say they agree to give 1 month trial. It's not 1 week. The Scholarcy and also Site.ai. That one later on, I will give you all a try. Okay. So this is on for the slide later on. I will share with you also. You don't need to worry about it. And one last thing I want to mention. The workshop that I conducted, usually I will not put the screen on full screen because I need to demonstrate always. So you will see my screen is maybe the form sometimes is a bit smaller, but it's okay. Delete because later on this slide I will pass to you, so you don't need to worry about it. I will pass to Dr. Hasifah, then Dr. Hasifah will email to you all lah. Okay, so I am not able to enlarge the screen because every time I conduct a workshop, people always ask me to enlarge the screen. So I have to inform you all first. Okay. Okay, so let me start now. Okay. Okay, so this is the e-research queue. If any one of you already attended my course previously, like you know, actually I'm focusing on e-research queue. Actually, I listed down on a lot of steps lah. So I would like to inform if you are doing the research right nowadays, the most important actually is computer. So if you have computer, you got internet, you can get a lot of materials from your computer and internet as well. So you need to know all these skill set to speed up your research process lah. We got a cloud storage lah, literature research lah, download lah, management technique, and also the thesis manuscript also very important. How do you do the writing, reading, and plagiarism, proofreading, paraphrasing, everything on this actually is very important lah. But because today we only got 2 hours plus, so I will try my best to slot in some of the important information for you all. So within this 2 hour plus, I think totally can help you a lot lah. And beside this, we also need some productivity tools to help us to make our life easier. And next, then we also need to know the journal metrics like WOS and Scopus. This is very important, especially in the research university like UTM. Okay, and then the last thing is after you publish, you need to know the process, the review process. Okay, and how to enhance your manuscript and your personal visibility. This is included all in my e-research queue, and you can find more information in my YouTube as well. So later on, I will share with you all. After that, you all can go to get more information from there. Okay, so today first step, we are going to discuss a little bit on searching. I think searching, everyone know about searching, how to do a searching. When talk about searching, you know, oh, first thing I'm using is Google Scholar. Then second thing is maybe Scopus, and maybe another one is WOS. This is very common one. But today, besides talking about these three, I would like to show you maybe another software. It's called Answer the Public. Okay, this one is very common, but seldom people use on it because of what? Okay, let's say now you're just starting to do your research, right? You are just getting a new topic, a new title, but you are not sure whether, hey, actually what kind of the area I need to look into it. How many people are asking about this topic question before or not? So we don't know about it, right? We usually ask our supervisor, our friend, hey, let's say I get a new topic. I get a topic very common. It's called machine learning. I want to put a machine learning, but I don't know machine learning would like to focusing on which area, which part, which domain. I'm not sure how to do it. So maybe you can try to use this Answer the Public. This is like a brainstorming app for you lah. Okay, let's try out. Let's try out. Okay, let me try this one. So I go to the Answer the Public. Okay, I just put my topic machine learning, very simple, only simple topic. Okay, this one I'm using is a free version. If you want to get more data, you can go to purchase it. Okay, so when I ask about the machine learning, hey, actually got a lot of machine learning, got so many. So let's say I'm very new to the research on this topic. I'm not sure machine learning actually what can we do. So we can try to get a lot of information here. You see, can machine learning solve all problem? Even after that, we click this link. It can be directly linked to the Google. Okay, Google page. Okay, so you can say machine learning replace job, machine learning replace software engineer. Machine learning replace programmer. Machine learning models to use. What machine learning model to use? Maybe I can get some idea from here. So this is a searching. I can do the searching already lah. Okay, and how? Okay, if you don't want, okay, also can. What machine learning for healthcare, for trading, for finance, for time series, for algorithmic trading, machine learning to predict. Oh, machine learning to predict lah. Machine learning for kids, for dummy, for beginner. Machine learning with Java, with Python. You see, here got a lot, you know. Even you are newbies for this topic, right? You also can learn. How come today I learned got a lot new keyword? Then you can narrow down and focusing on which part you want. Okay, so this is for the people who just starting their research. Totally, they're out of the idea. Maybe they can come here to get the brainstorming idea from this website. Okay, so you also can get the comparison. Like you say, machine learning as an experience science, machine learning and AI, machine learning and artificial intelligence, and deep learning. Oh, I learned one more word: machine learning and deep learning. Okay, and machine learning and big data. So if you are new, totally this thing can help you a lot lah. Okay. So you can go to find out, or we got mid learning, we got big data mining, and all of this actually also can be useful. This is a classification. Then you can try to go to find out which keyword you want actually. Okay. This is the first thing, the first app today I want to show you lah. Okay. Maybe you want to focus on algorithm, just click algorithm. Machine learning algorithm. See, so many. Okay, first thing, brainstorming your app, searching. You have to enhance your searching. Okay, so you need to know how to make your searching more easy and always get what you want. Okay. Second software is called Iris.ai. Okay, Iris.ai. I think Iris, everyone know what is the meaning lah, like a scanner for your eyes. Iris. Okay, so when talk about the Iris.ai, why I want to introduce you this software. Okay, let me log in first. This software got two functions. One focusing is for the pay version, but we don't need it. We use exploring is actually is enough lah. Okay, let me show you. Let's say today I got one article. I go to Google Scholar. Okay, I go to Google Scholar. I just type machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so I use this topic. A review of machine learning and deep learning application. This type of got a lot of people site, right? Okay, I copy the link. Then I go to my Iris.ai. Let me try to analyze it. Okay, this one. After I analyze the Iris.ai, this software analyze, right? We can directly this Iris.ai able to classify for us. Okay, let's see what is the content they provided for. Let's go in. Then after I go in, without reading anything, I without reading anything, this system already classified for me. Okay, got machine, got learning. When talk about the machine, okay, inside what you want? Oh, learning. Everything related to learning, everything related to AI, everything related to robot, everything related to the application. We go to the tool application. Okay, so you can see here got so many paper. If you just starting a research and you are not sure which paper you want to read, and maybe you just get few paper or maybe less than 50, you say not enough. So this paper, maybe this software actually able to help you to expand your research. Alright, when you see you mouse over, right, you get the percentage. The higher the better, the higher the better. So I click this one, I click it. So I get 82%. Okay, I get relevancy is 82%. So that means this paper, the suggested paper from this machine is quite related to what I provided just now, the link. So you can get from here, you can read it again, see whether this the paper that you are interested. Okay, but you still need to read it your own. They only give you the extract. Okay, this is for you to expand the search lah, expand the search only. Okay, so if Google Scholar, I think everyone know how to do it lah. Very simple only. This is Google Scholar. Okay. Okay, let me open. Okay, Google Scholar. Okay, Google Scholar, everyone know how to do it, right? And later on, this I got installed another plugin. This plugin later on I will show you in the I think the last few software lah. This one was also quite interesting lah. Developed by the China Scholar. Later on I will show you how to use it. We also can convert into the English part later on. Okay, for the Google Scholar, so make sure when doing the Google Scholar actually is a very important search engine for us lah. My priority actually Google Scholar, WOS, and Scopus. Then after that, I want to get more expand my search. Then I only go to Iris lah. Okay, so now I want to introduce you another software. This one we call it as Insightful. This Insightful. Okay, also same, we call it as a smart searching. Okay, let's say that this is my paper lah. I just put it. Okay, I put this paper. I go to Insightful lah. This is Insightful. Put the paper title or DOI also can. Okay, after you get it, search. Okay, when doing the searching, right? Why I want to introduce this software? Actually, this software, one point I like it so much is called similarity. I give you a link of article without giving you a full article, but you already able to analyze for me the similarity of this paper with other people. They compare it. If you find the similarity is very high, this paper is means very related, very important for you. Okay, so try to see this one. The similarity rate is very high. Why this paper? This is my another paper. Why the rate is very similar? Because actually both paper is talking about the same research. Just maybe the experiment portion is a bit different. So that's why the similarity rate is very high. The similarity rate high is means the percentage similarity is very high lah. Okay. So the first two actually is also belong to me. So and another one is you see the rate also quite high. So that means we are doing the sum of the section is result is almost not result. The content is quite similar. So then you can read from this paper. Okay. So got a lot. The similarity you can try to enhance it. Okay, so and I want to introduce this software. Another thing is you see the color. Oh, color. The darker is mean the latest. The size is means more people site. The size. Okay, more people site. The size smaller, it means less people site. Okay. And this is the software we call Insightful. You don't need to pay for it. It's totally free and you don't need to sign up. Just put the content enough. Okay. This similarity is very useful lah. I think when talk about this software, people will maybe remember will try to compare with the connected papers lah, and other software like. But for me, I think this one they have this feature similarity is very useful lah. Okay. And you also can get the comparison with like let's say we try to use this one. You can see how many people cited, how many people I'm citing. Okay. The most important is top journal. You can see which paper you want to publish related to this topic, this article. Okay. Okay, so this is Insightful. You can try to play with it later on. Okay. Okay. Another software is called Research Rabbit. Also same purpose but different search engine, different algorithm behind the engine. Okay, let me log in. Research Rabbit. Okay, when talk about Research Rabbit, okay, let me remove everything first. Okay, I remove all the article. We compare our own one. Delete. Okay, I create a new collection today, 21 September. Okay, this is a new one. Okay, I want to add my own map. Okay, I want to add my own map. I create add paper. Okay, you just put the title. I do the searching lah. Okay, searching summary rating. Let's say summary rating. Okay, I want to add this first paper, add to collection. The second paper, student. Okay, add to collection. The third paper, okay, this one is a scoring rubric. Okay, I add. Okay, my paper is here, enhancing. Okay, I just put one paper only, add to collection. Then individual style. Okay, add to collection. Okay, the effect of a science strategy. Okay, this one also add. Teaching summary writing to student with what. Okay, I also add. Okay, this one I don't want to add first. Okay, transforming constant academic knowledge feedback. Okay, add. Okay, now enough lah. Don't put too many first. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, around 7, I think. Okay, so within this 7, okay, this 7, you see, they got already help you to find out all the similar work. Okay, I open it. Okay, the green color, the green color is means the paper I already added just now. I already added just now. This is my paper. Okay, this is the one I added, the green color. Let me enlarge it. Let me enlarge it. Okay. Okay. Enlarge it. Okay. And this one, green color, the size also means the citation, the year, I think. Okay. This one. Okay. See this portion, this portion. Okay, and we see the year, and the blue color is means I haven't added it yet, but there is a connection here. You see, there is a connection here. What does it mean? I only got 6 paper, but this 6 paper help me to connect to others paper. Help me to connect to other paper, you know. So based on here, right? If I only read this 6 paper, right? Suddenly I got the idea. Why not? I can try to read this Graham and meta-analysis of writing instruction for adolescent student. Based on here, actually, I'm telling you, I can get a new paper already. I just need to try to make sure here is related, then I can read it. I need to find the original paper lah, of course. Then I go to read it. So this is also help you to explain your search. The connection is very important because people citing or cited by only there is a connection. Okay, so you can try to see. This paper also actually is cited by inside this paper. So that's why there is a connection. So don't worry about if you don't know how to find an extra article. Actually, when you're doing this kind of the software, right, using this kind of software, right, you are able to expand your search. You are able to expand your search. This research the UI is very good and also very smooth. So you can try to use this software to expand your search. Okay. They are not able to give you a lot of articles, but at least they already help you to identify. Then you have to try to get all the article online yourself lah. They can only give you the extract. This is number 4 software is called Research Rabbit. Research Rabbit. At the same time, if you want to find this paper information, private information also can. The earlier work and also the later work, you can click it. Okay, you can go to click it and find it out lah. Okay, the outer also can. You can get to go know more the outer. You see the outer, the networking. Okay, who is the one collaborate with anyone? Anyone is related or not? Okay, this author and also the suggested author. You also can read the suggested author paperwork. Okay, a lot lah. Actually, got a lot. Okay, so you want to download the big text RIS file, CSV file also can. You want to add on also can. Actually, it is like small techniques type lah. You just click this one and then you can add on a new title also can. Okay, I close first. Let's say I want to get this paper. Okay, open this paper, similar work. See, I only selected this paper. I also can search the similar work. Okay, so similar work. See, got so many lah. Okay, so this one we settled already. Now we go to another one. If you would like to sign up this one for free, you can use this code. Let me share with you. Wait. Okay. Okay, if you have any question related to this software, you can ask now. This software you want to ask about Research Rabbit, Iris.ai, Answer the Public, and also the Insightful also can ask. Let me give you the link. You can try out as well. Okay. Okay. If there is no question about this one, I'm going to try another software for you all and demonstrate another software for you all. This is called Scholarly. If you haven't tried it out, I would like to share with you and how to use this software lah. Okay. Scholarly is one of the like a text summarizer for you to shorten the reading time. Okay, if you have a lot of article, you don't have time to read it, then you want a software to help you to only identify the main point, then you read that main point only, then this is the software. Okay, I already uploaded my article. Let me show you some of the article. Okay, let's say this article I already uploaded the original PDF. Okay, I click it, they will tell me the key concept, the abstract. Okay, you see the abstract, the highlighted, there is a two color. One is a blue color, another one is orange color. The blue color is called important point. Okay, then the yellow color is called contribution. This study report parts of the finding of a study of Korean summarizing and English text. Okay, the Scholarly highlight and also the Scholarly summary, this is based on their algorithm. They summarize for you based on the algorithm. What kind of highlight on this paper you can try to read. You read it first. And also the Scholarly summary. They summarize maybe one article got around 20 pages. So they summarize within only 1 pages like that. And one function is I would like to inform, actually is called comparative analysis. This is quite useful lah. When you get the article, right? When you get a new article, what is the next thing actually you are interested? You actually is quite interested on this paper. What is the outcome now? What is the contribution now? And this paper, does it cite any useful paper on which part? You see, this claim has been supported by various studies in the first language area. Okay, in which inadequate summarizing skill were demonstrated even by university level students. Not to mention law. The difficulty in summarizing is not surprising when we consider, what is it? Why we have a claim something like this? We need this kind of claim usually in the LR and also the discussion section. If you are doing a research without compare, without any review, any critical review, good review, bad review, I think that is not considered a literature review lah. You have to give some idea comment based on the previous study. So whether you are this study they are using what kind of method, then you have to compare it. Then you're only able to find your own area. See, this software already help you to identify the important part here. So you can already get from here. Okay, this is a new function I think last few months ago they developed lah. It's quite interesting lah. Given that the integration of what, so it can be argued that the summary A and C table 4. So you all can try to use this software lah. Okay, we also got another function. It's called reference. Reference is very simple, but I like reference because of what? Reference can directly link you to Google Scholar, Scholarly finding, and also Cite.ai. You just click Cite.ai. What is Cite.ai? Why here got 1? Here got 33. Cite.ai is another software that I'm going to demonstrate later on, which is help you to find out the important statement. We call it as a citation tracker lah. Citation tracker is very good for you when you're doing the research, speed up your research process as well. Okay, we are sometimes if you speak enough fast enough, right, you're also able to get the content, the critical content, critical content. Okay, I have a question now. Let me open the question. In your opinion, is the free version of scholarship adequate without needing to purchase? Scholarship only give you 7 days trial, I think. 7 day, 7 day trial. After that, you are not able to utilize their features anymore. Even the plugin in the Google Chrome, right, is not able to help you to summarize. Okay, it's not like Keyboard. Keyboard, you are still able to use 700 character for free version. Scholarship, no. Scholarship, no. But today, anyone from the UTM, you all can get 1 month trial. Okay, so later on I will share with you how to do it lah. Okay. If you already utilize this software, you find out this software totally help you speed up your research work, and then you can try further on. But I would like to give some advice. You are the one who do the research. Software only speed up our research process, not replace us to do the job. So no matter how, if you keep using this software for long term, long term, you have to use it very wisely. Do you understand what it means? That means you have to learn how to read it as well. Let's say you open PDF, you also read, then you also highlight your words, and then it's good. But if you every time you try to utilize software, then you put everything into software, you have the software to do it for you, download already everything that from the software, then you without any analyze, without any fully focus on reading, then I think that is not a good idea. Here got one feature is called export document. Let me show you. We can export into the PowerPoint. Okay, this is only the premium one you can use. Okay, you see, I open it. They can summarize for you this. They can give you the abstract, the confirm previous word, the build on previous word, differs from previous word, the highlight. It is like a PowerPoint for you. But this kind of content, you still need to edit. You cannot say, okay, I get it. Wow, I already use this to present. My lecturer asked me to present the paper, the summarized version. I just use this software to summarize. No, please don't do it. If you do like this way, that means you are not learning. You are everything you let the computer do the job for you. You're not learning. You are not getting any experience, any skill at all. So software is only help you to do the job faster. It's not replace you to do the job. You need to remember. Okay, this is my advice lah. Okay, so here got a lot lah. You can export it, and of course you have to edit based on your idea lah. Okay. Okay, so this is a summary. The setting, the support, the contribution. Okay. Okay. Now this one settled already. Scholarship already settled.
Dr. Chu, I think we have one more question from Dr. Usman.
Okay.
Are these tools free or need to sign up?
Okay. Which tools Okay, let me summarize one more time. Okay, the answer the public is free. You want to sign up. If you want to get more data. Okay. Pay version, pay version. This one also free version. You need to sign up. But it is free for limited functions. Okay. Okay. Another research rabbit, totally free. Once you sign up, then you already can use. Totally free. You don't need to purchase. Insightful, don't need to sign up. It's free. It's totally free. Okay, Scholarship is a paid software. They only give you 7 day trial if you sign up by using the credit card 7 days only. For 7 days or 14 days. I forget already. 7 days or either 14 days. Okay, but today we are going to I will give you all the 1 month trial. The software company Scholarship, they agree to give the UTM's people's okay. Another one software. This one is free and also pay version. I will teach you how to get free pages now. Okay, software number 6. You all can try out now. Okay, let me give you. You can sign up using my referral link, and then you can get 250 pages. Okay, let's go to do this. Letterer.io. Okay, I go to the Letterer.io. Everyone. Okay. Okay, go to the Lecture.io. Okay, first thing, go to the dashboard, create a new project. I call a project called PhD. I create already. And then you see, I got so many documents. You have to add document. Add 5 document, 10 document, 15 document, 20 document, 30 document put also can. No issue. So after you added the document, right? Let's say I already added. So it's like a literature review matrix PDF viewer for us actually. This article I already imported. Then I want to categorize it based on the keyword. Okay. Let's say I want to put this one. Transition to online education. This paper. Okay. This is my paper. Okay, I open the document. Okay, I open the document. Okay, wait. Oh, transition to online education and scholarship. When I try to read this article, right? Every time when we read the article, very important, we have to put some hashtag. Or we highlight it. Okay, let's say I do it now. Okay, the general education system in Georgia is based on compulsory what. Children start from school from the age of what. They continue to the middle grade. Okay. The traditional classroom. Okay, I want to put a keyword called traditional classroom. Okay. Okay, traditional. I highlight this one. Traditional classroom. I highlight the content. Then I create a new concept. I call traditional classroom. Okay. Put enter. Now I already got a new concept. Okay, a new concept. Okay, so I click save. Okay, I save. So this traditional, I put a keyword here, traditional already. I already got the traditional here. So based on this traditional, okay, I already put traditional. Now, let's say I put COVID. Now I got another keyword, COVID keyword. COVID-19 infection. Okay, I save. But this COVID-19 infection, I don't want to put the same topic traditional. I put COVID-19. Okay, already got an understanding. So when I read anything that I found out very important, let's say the education management is that I try to create this one. I read it. Oh, this one also very important. I save also. I put the traditional. Yes, this is traditional that I said. So after I already categorize everything, let's say I categorize. Then now we go to the table view. Yeah. Okay, just now, this is the paper just now we already selected. We go. See, this one. COVID-19. So transition to this is my paper, right? I already have a section here. And these sections, just now I put the COVID-19 infection. Okay, so everything, and this is the traditional classroom, the one that I already highlighted just now. So I get the content here. I get all the content here. So after I redone it, I want to export the table as Word also can. I export. This is only one table I do it. You still can do a lot. Okay, you see, COVID-19 concept. This concept. Paper 1, this is what paper, this is paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, paper 5. Yeah, so based on this part, then you can get this one. Is it? No matter what you do the annotation in this part, right? Everything after you export, you can get it. Okay? It's good for you when you try to read it. Some people, they like to do the reading inside the PDF, then they highlight, they do the note also can. But this one, they're able to help you to export into a Microsoft Word. It's easy for you. And the most important is they give you the 200 pages after you sign up. In order to get more pages, easy. You just have to get more pages. You invite more people. Once you already invited more people, right, then you are able to get more free pages lah. Okay, so this one. Easy to use. What another function is called super search. If you want to do a searching, just put some COVID-19. Everything related to the snippet that you already put in related to the COVID-19, everything is here. Okay? All the snippet that you already saved lah. So this software actually is for you to do a literature review metrics lah. It's quite simple and easy to use, and the most important is very smooth, very smooth. Okay. Okay, so this is all the concept just now I already added all the concept. So you can see everything content I already put in here. This is all the document I already added. All the document I already added. You can try to want add delete also can Okay. This is the PDF. This is the concept. You want to share project with member also can. Okay. Settle already. Let's see got any questions. Okay. Invite more people, give more pages, but is this dependent on if they choose to sign up or not? Yes, they have to sign up. They have to sign up. They have to sign up. After you give to them, they click is useless. They have to sign up, then you only can get. So you just invite them to use. Then once they sign up, you already can get 200 pages within 1 day or within few hours. Okay. Last time they give 500, now they reduce until 250 already. Okay. So okay. Wait for a while. Okay. Anyone else got any question related to the lateral scholarship or software, other software? Ada tak? Okay, if got, please ask now. Okay.
I think there's a comment or question in the chat, Dr. Chu.
Oh, okay, okay. Wait, okay, subscription. Comment on the chat.
Yeah, it's from Wandip Kaur regarding lateral.
I already explained. Invite more people, give me more pages, right?
I think, yeah, okay, all right, sure.
Yeah, this one I already discussed just now. Okay. I try to get a link. This one. Okay, give for a while. Okay, so now we go to another software, number 7. Okay, this number 7 is called Ref, and right now the latest version is a 5.5. If you are using the Windows, you can use this link to install. You can use this link to install. This is called Ref and Write. Okay, Ref and Write got two one is called MacBook style, another one is called Windows style. Let me show you. Let me show you. Okay, we got Ref and Write. Okay, I open the Ref and Write. This is for MacBook. This is for MacBook style. This is for MacBook style. Okay, and the MacBook design is like this. MacBook is designed like this. If you are using the MacBook, this is the style. Okay. Let me inform you one more time. This is the MacBook style. If you're using Windows, please don't use this because the user interface cannot. For Windows is better. Okay, close it. Okay. How to get this? If you are MacBook user, you just go to the insert, go to the get in. Get in. You just type Ref and Write. And then you can add from here. This is for MacBook only. Mac user. If you're Windows, don't do this. Don't do this. Let me. For MacBook user, please use the installer I provided just now. Okay. So my one already missing. Let me go to add in back. Okay. I do one more time for you. Okay. Install it. Next, agree. Next, install. This is for the Windows side. Okay, close. Okay, after that, please turn off all your Microsoft Word. Turn off all the Microsoft Word. Turn off first. Then reopen it. Okay, reopen it. Okay, now there is two left and right is here. One is for MacBook. This is for MacBook. This is for Windows. This is for Windows. See, the window is here. But you need to put the license activation pending lah. Okay. Wait, because I already got license inside here. Okay. Okay. This is the left and right lah. Okay. Is there any Ethernet? Okay. Okay. Wait. Okay, wait for a while. The license address. Okay. For the left and right, left and right, why I say this left and right is good? Actually, left and right got search function, plagiarism check function, dashboard function, academic phrase bank function, writing idea, phrase template, paraphrase, word choice, read, setting. Okay, this one, let me explain. The paraphrase function is only can help you to check some of the word lah. The word check also same. The useful actually is the academic phrase bank and also the plagiarism check and also the searching. This one is quite useful lah. This one is quite useful. Let me do the searching here. Okay, and also my dashboard. Wait. Yeah, import. Okay, import. Okay, let me do the wait. Sorry, I think. For a while. Okay, activate the trial. Okay, click the activate trial license. Okay, everyone, activate the trial license. Click activate. Okay, so now you already activated the trial license. Okay, so once you already activated the trial license, then you already can use, but it is limited features. Okay, limited features. Okay, let me show you how to use this one. Okay, so this feature is very important, very easy to use only. First thing, you have to have a lot of article. This is your library one. Library one, you have to drag. You have to drag. Okay, try to make it small size first. Okay, try to make small size. So let's say just now I got one article. Okay, I go to download one article. Yeah, this article, I get the article. I get the article. I get the articles. Okay. Yeah, for Microsoft Word only. Okay. So now let's say I got one or two article here. Okay, I want to use this one. Set up. I set up first. I go to dashboard. I drag one article, two article. Okay, one, two article inside here. These two article is different domain, different research area. So if you put into the same library, it's totally not correct. Okay, but I only show you one level. Okay, I want this article enough. Okay, so I just start import. I want import only. I want import. One article only. Once you already imported, save the setting. Okay, save the setting. Okay, so now we close it. I only got one article. I only got one article. How about you got 30, 50? That is different story. Okay, now every time if after you do a searching, okay, let me try to show you. Okay, I open this one. Struggling writer may have I copy this content. I copy. Now I go to the search. This search. Go to the search. Okay, copy in here. Okay. Yeah. Click search. Can you see? After I do the search, right? The content is already displayed in here. Okay, what is ref and write? Let me explain one more time. Referent and writing. Okay, first, if you have one article, you got 10 article, and you also got 100 article, which one is better? Of course, it's the more the better lah, 100 article. So if you only got one article, right, they only can give you one resources to show here. But if you got 10 article, every related keyword search inside their database, right, they will show to you. They will directly show to you. So you need to be very, very careful. They will already show to you inside this panel. What is search panel 1? What is search panel 2? Search panel 1 and search panel 2 is the thing that you show just you selected. Okay. I want to save the result in the search panel 1 and 2 only, or either panel 1 enough. Panel 2 also can. So I click save. So you go to the panel 2. See, panel 1, panel 2 also got. So now I don't want, I only want panel 1. Okay, I go panel 1. I go setting. I go to dashboard. I remove the panel 1, panel 2, save setting, close it. I click search again. Now I go to panel 2. See, totally nothing already. So panel 1 and panel 2, the function is for this purpose only lah. Okay, and what is the meaning of expanded text? After I already get this title, right, I want to see the more data. I go to click this part, dot, dot, dot. Okay, I go to click dot, 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 right? That means totally the same paragraph they will show you by clicking this dot, 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 expand lah. Okay, so plagiarism check. This plagiarism penalty is the new features in the 5.5 lah. They will help you to check it out lah. The phrase template, this one also. I highlight this one. I want to do the paraphrase. Click it. See, co-writer may have trouble coordinating. This is another, but you need to have an internet connection, Okay, you need to have an internet connection. For the paraphrasing, of course, we still need Qbot to help us to get more suggestion of a keyword lah. Okay. So this is another function is called academic phrase bank. This one is quite useful, especially when you are just starting doing the research. You are not very good at finding the starting word, how to do the, let's say I want to write a research gate. I don't know how to write it based on the previous study. In general, prior work is limited, blah, blah, blah. Here God give you a lot of suggestion. Then you can get more idea from here. But if you are using the trial version, then you are not able to see more lah. If not,
Assalamualaikum. Assalamualaikum.
Sorry. Okay. So in this when you click dot dot dot, right, actually you are going to expand. You find more related suggestion word. Okay. So this academic phrase is very important, especially for the one like us. It's not a novice writer. Our first language is not English. Okay. So it's quite useful actually. Okay, so I would like to suggest to use the search lah, the dashboard lah, academic phrase bank lah, and also the paraphrase a little bit can lah. This feature is quite useful, but don't use the MacBook if you are not Mac user. Mac user cannot install the installer. You need to be Okay, let's see. Got any questions? Can you please demonstrate how to install Rev and Write for Microsoft Word user? Okay, I already demonstrated just now. If you are Windows user, please use the link I provided you just now, this link. Okay, I give you again. Then you install it. After you install it, close all the Microsoft Word and reopen it again. There is a Rev and Write tab will be showing here. I want to ask why sometimes the PDF cannot be opened after Read and Write detect the content, and book cannot insert into library. Book cannot insert into library because of one reason. The book is too big. And one more thing is the book is in image form. It's not in the text form. Let's say you scan the book, right? The book is actually is in the image form. Totally, they cannot read the text. So that's why they cannot be read. Okay, cannot be imported lah. And the PDF cannot be opened because of what? you already move the file into somewhere else. Let's say file is inside the C drive. You move into the D drive. Of course, it cannot be tracked already lah. So what you need to do now, have to re-import the library again. Would you recommend Ref and Write over EndNote and Mendeley? This is totally different story. EndNote and Mendeley is a citation, the reference manager. Ref and Write is only help you to do the writing. They are not linked. They are not linked. So for me, EndNote and Mendeley, I will choose one. Ref and Write is an assisting writing tool. So don't mix it. Don't mix it. Okay. Okay, so the question I already answered. Okay, now we go to another software. This one I already finished it. How to fully utilize this software? Let me show you one link. Later on, I will give you my video, my YouTube video. I can demonstrate around 1 hour plus on totally how to use this software. Okay, from the zero until the end because today we got limited time, so I'm not able to fully explain all the function. Okay, so now we go to MacBook. This is a MacBook style. Okay, this is the Windows style. I already give you the slide. Okay, smart citation. This one also very important, this software. Okay, let me do one demonstrate for you. Okay, so this Slido AI, I call it as a citation tracking, smart citation. Okay, when we talk about smart citation, right? This article, you go to this article, right? You will see, hey, wow, this page got a lot of people cite. So we want to focusing on how many people support on this support. Contrasting and supporting apa masuk dia. Contrasting is mean ada orang tak agree. Got people not agree. Got people not agree is called contrasting. Okay, why I say is not agree leh? Okay, I make it bigger size. This is consistent with previous finding on what. Okay, consistent. This is consistent. Wait. However, it is inconsistent with previous findings of insignificant relationship between what. Okay, based on here, right? I think this is consistent because the paper A consists with the paper B. Paper B, another side is inconsistent. This is another one. Okay, contrasting. Contrasting, it means totally not agree lah. Okay, find that SC only it directly affect intend to switch. The result here suggests that the learning cost moderate actual behavior. This contradiction could be reconsidered as what. This means totally contrasting. Contrasting is mean the paper of this paper, right, actually got agreed and disagreed by somebody else. Who is it? That is the content. Okay. Okay. So thought the literature suggests that the switching costs are formed by what. The analysis in this study indicated to what. Further investigation should explain this. That means if they put a higher percentage of the confidence level, it means they are very confident this is not agree. Contrast. Okay. They are very agree. They are another one. I don't want to choose contrast now. I choose supporting. Let's try to see the supporting. Okay. This is consistent with finding from earlier study. See? Directly I can get the paper A actually is agreed by who? Agreed by. This is paper A. Paper A agreed by paper B. Okay. So it's quite simple lah. The paper B lah. This is paper B lah. So it's more easy for us when we want to find the gap lah. We want to find the discussion important citation. Why I always recommend people to use this software? You try to do you ever encounter one situation is like you write a sentence that sentence without any citation, then your your friend, your examiner, your supervisor insists you need to find some citation to put it on. That is the reason this software can help you. Because you write something which is totally needs a statement to support you. So this is the citation tracking that can be used to help you to find out which paper actually can be used to support your research work. Okay. We also can use another function. It's called visualize. See, this is for people who like to see the visualize. Or the green color means support. The blue color is mean contrasting. The black color is a lot lah, so I did not click it. Okay. Okay. Another one is called export report. Export report. Okay. I want to show you another function is called citation statement search. Citation statement search. Okay, I put a topic very common one, a customer satisfaction. This one very common. Customer satisfaction. So when I put a customer satisfaction, we're just starting to do the research, right? I don't know have any idea. So I can already come here. I can go to analyze my search result. Customer satisfaction and analyze. Okay. So based on this analyze, right? I want to see, got how many people doing on this research. Okay. So for any insight, okay, got a lot here, got a lot. Okay, I also can download it. I can download it. Let me export the PDF. It is like executive summary, a little bit similar. See, when I want to do the customer satisfaction, right? I can try to see which university, which person, and how many people is talking about the customer satisfaction. So you can try to see when people talk about customer satisfaction is what, the loyalty, the paper sections, the introduction sections. You can see a lot actually. So this is for you by using your keyword by using your keyword. Okay. Another one I do a searching, right? I can just focus on the supporting. When I want to talk about customer satisfaction, can you show me some of the supporting statement related to the customer satisfaction? Okay, can you see? The results show that based on Taiwanese customer perspective, financial service worker customer orientation is positively related to customer satisfaction. Okay, this one means yes, supporting level is very high, 91%. Okay, so if when you're just starting to do research, of course you want to do you want to find some people who's doing the similar topic with you, or doing the topic is totally against with you. It's good because you can compare what. Okay, so you don't want this supporting, you choose contrasting also can. Okay, you see, who suggested the measurement analysis have the greatest effect on one. The measurement analysis do not have a direct effect on the level of satisfaction and does not indicate what. This one is totally means that paper is not agreed lah. It's good for you. The results show the customer what has a strong direct effect on. However, this finding does not agree with study by what. So this is very useful lah, for especially when you want to find out people agree or not agree. Okay, this is called Cite.ai. Cite.ai. Okay. Okay, this software, anyone who is interested to get a 1-month trial, now you need to sign up at www.cite.ai. Okay, I give you the link. You can sign up later on. You need to provide me your the account. Then I only able to help you to upgrade. I need to send your name list to the people lah. Well, let me check. Okay, Cite.ai. If anyone who want to, make sure you need to sign up with UTM or either at graduate.utm.my. This one. Let me share with you. If you are interested to try on, after let me share with you. Wait for a while. Okay. Okay, for the Cite.ai, Okay, only for you need to have this email address.
Kalau dia aware juga kadang-kadang ada layang-layang di situ, tapi lebih baik rasanya antara layang-layang dengan SUKK ada satu perbincangan lah.
Okay. Okay. So,
Okay.
sorry again.
Betul. Saya cakap tu betul. Tapi layang punya training area di luaran memang not established. Kalau kita publish di sini, seolah-olah kita bantu establishment.
Ataupun dalam ayat ni kita mengabsahkan.
Yes. Kemudian
Okay.
selanjutnya
Mr. Munir, any
dia
question?
declare that is dia punya ni lah. Mengesahkan.
Admin tolong mute-kan sekejap ah. Okay.
Okay, sekejap ya.
Journal refer to includes all the subscription journal or only the open access one. Not all, not only open access. It depends on whether the Site.ai already get the approval from all the journal or not. They are now already got, I think, billion of the citation statement, and also not all. So that means some of the content you can find, some of the content you cannot find. Okay. So before you decided whether you want to purchase or not, better you go to try out this 1 month first. See whether this 1 month totally can help you to get more information or not. If you're able to get more information from there, so that means your research areas totally is included in their
Tak ada
library lah.
macam
Okay.
document ke apa, pada tak ada perbincangan, tak ada acknowledgement daripada SUKK dan
Hold on ya, Dr. Chu, because I don't have the
Okay.
admin to mute, so I'm I'm trying to catch hold of the host.
Can no problem. No problem.
Okay, sorry ya.
It's okay. It's okay.
From consider the establishment area.
Yalah,
We ask them to say, what request performance or pencil.
yeah, they said they want to do something about it. No?
No, after the one. So, saya cakap, they don't want the training area, they just want saja.
Yeah.
Conversion area.
So it's a little bit dangerous for us for the
Okay, we can continue already, huh?
Sorry about that, Dr. Chu.
It's okay, it's okay. No problem. Okay, let's continue. Okay, one thing I want to share with you, this, let's try to see this one, this paper. Retracted, I think retracted, maybe some of you just first time heard about this lah. Retracted actually is quite important, you have to know. If you're using Site.ai, Site.ai got one panel, it's like X. If you saw this X, that means it's very important. You cannot cite this paper anymore because that paper already retracted. So don't cite this kind of paper. Okay. Retracted, I just want to show you what is retracted. You go to the retraction. We have to understand what is retracted. Okay, you see, retracted. Let me give you. Go to the retraction database. I just want to introduce to you so you all can understand what is this. Don't simply cite paper. Don't simply cite paper. Okay. So we go to the this one. Because we can try our own country, Malaysia. Okay. Got any paper is retracted. Retracted got a lot of reason. If the reason is you conflict of interest then it's still okay But if the like fake peer review or cons issue about authorship forge the data this one everything unreliable result this one is quite serious quite serious So better we all need to be careful. You see this paper got a lot of the people join, you see. From where Malaysia also got, USA also got unreliable result. So at the end they withdraw it, retract it okay. This one is the most, you see this one PLOS ONE PLOS ONE actually is very good quality of the journal. But once they find out the paper got issue, they also will take it back, retract it back. See, so we want to collaborate with someone else. Make sure the people who is doing the research actually they totally done a very good research. It's not for fake the peer review. See, this one you have to be careful also lah. Be careful also, okay? Because if not, your name will be blacklisted in here lah. So retraction is very important. Retraction, if you want to retract your paper after 1 year, 2 year, you found out got some mistake, and then it's still okay. That is okay. Because that is because you retract it, then you edit it, then you publish it again. Without any big issue. That one is still acceptable lah. That is a minor issue only lah. But as long as we are not fed the peer review, we don't have any conflict interest, then it should be okay lah. Ethical violations, error in image, error in data, unreliable data. Okay, so you can go to find information here lah. Okay, so okay, now we go to the Grammarly app. This one, any later on, anyone interested to try out also can sign up. I will give you the 2 weeks trial, the premium EDU 2 weeks trial for this Grammarly. So anyone who, this one is if you are free user now, you can already give you the account without using UTM or any graduate UTM email also can. This one is totally under me, so it's easy. So I can already send you the invitation, then you can enjoy 2 weeks trial. You can try out, see whether it's good for you or not. Okay. So also same, how to do it. Okay, let me show you what is the Grammarly, the top one proofreading software right now. But even I say top one, it is computer based. My advice for everyone, no matter when you're using the proofreading or paraphrasing software, please make sure at the final stage, send to the professional proofreader. Okay? So one of the service that I always use is Dr. Tava lah. I think most of you already know about him. So he is a very good good person. So you can try to negotiate the things how to work it out. Okay. So this is the information. So later on you can get it. Anyone interested can go to find out. Last time my thesis, my paper, I also sent to Dr. Tava to proofread it. Even I'm using this software, but I also will send to professional proofreader. Okay, so because they can make our work better and better. Okay, so now I'm going to demonstrate the Grammarly. So how to do this Grammarly? Okay, last time people always concerned about in the Microsoft Word. Okay, let's say this is my Microsoft Word, my PowerPoint, right? I open my PowerPoint. Okay, wait now. Let me do the editing. Okay, this is my. Okay, where is my Grammarly? Okay, my Grammarly, Grammarly. My Grammarly here. See, how come my Grammarly become like this? How come my Grammarly become like this? This is the Grammarly app. It's a new Grammarly app. It can be shown in any way. Okay, wait. Wow, you see, so many cannot. I copy one paragraph enough. Okay, so I go to the this one. Okay, see, got 4. Can you see? I click this one if you are worried. I click this one, Grammarly will help. I click this one, fix those 2 error. More about the error and how to fix it. See? Okay. So you understand? So I can turn off suggestion in Microsoft Word. I want to turn off, I want to turn on also can. So this is for Grammarly app. If you are using Grammarly app, then this only can be used in the PowerPoint. Okay. This one also same. This one also same. I close it. Also same. I click it. Okay. See? The user interface a little bit different. See? This one change. I got a lot. Can you see? I click this one. Click how to change it. But this one, you have to understand how come my Grammarly plugin for Microsoft Word is not here because I did not install. I did not install. Where's my Grammarly here? No Grammarly. Okay, no Grammarly. How to do it? Very simple only. You just type Microsoft Word plug Grammarly for MS Word plugin. In okay, like this. Install Office in like this only. Get the in. I can install it now. Okay, after I install, you see what is the difference? I need to do the on the spot for you to see the difference. What is the difference? Okay, let's try to see what is the difference. Get started. Get ready for Outlook. I didn't use Outlook, so I don't install. I click install. Okay, okay, done already. Okay, click finish. Finish. After already installed, please turn off all the Microsoft Word. Turn off. All the Microsoft Word, turn off now. Turn off. Reopen it again. Then my G button only will be here. See, now my G button is here. This G button and this G button is different tools. Grammarly got provide us 3 tools. One is for Google Chrome for Grammarly. Grammarly for Google on a Google Chrome. Another one is Grammarly app. This is a new app. I think I launched it 1 year already. This is the default. The usually we like to use this one. What? Because of what? Okay. We like to use this one because we think this one is more easy for us lah. Okay, I log in. Let me log in first. Okay, open Grammarly. Done. Okay, open already. I prefer in Microsoft Word doing this lah because they can show me all the errors. See, this one is more easy. Now you were able to see the difference, right? Okay. Just now it's only one. You feel yeah, lazy lah. I don't want to click one by one. This one is more simple for me. I like to see like this. See, the UI is better, right? I prefer to see the UI. Wow, like this better. Oh, so I prefer the UI. Click one by one. It's easy. Okay, now let me show you what you need to do. If you're only using a free version, mostly you only can correct the red color, the grammar issue only lah. Okay, I want to introduce you one stuff very important. You try to see this one. Okay, you click this. Okay, the profile, the personal, the language, open default. Okay, this one don't need lah. Okay, and just go very important, everyone. The goal is very important. The goal is very important, Okay, you have to adjust your goal. You want the general, the expert, the knowledge, or the informal, informal, okay, and academic or business, general. Okay, I put formal lah. Click done. But if you're asking me which one is better, I would like to inform you all. Actually, the best one actually is using on the Google Chrome Grammarly website because the UI is a bit better. The user interface is better. Okay, let me show you. Let me show you something. Now I go to the website. I go to the website. app.grammarly. You see this one, Okay, this is my document. Okay, you see this? Okay, can you see my goal here? My goal. I click my goal. You see I got business, got general, got email, you got casual. I want academic. When I want to click academic, cannot click why? Because I need to put knowledgeable or expert. I have to change. I can either put the neutral, knowledgeable. Everything important I have to change. Okay, academic only can be changed. Okay. So I click done. So whenever what goal you are changing, right? Here also we ask you, hey, when you want to do the academic, you cannot put you well like this, right? You cannot. But if you say me, hey, I want to change to casual, casual, click done. Can you see? Casual, you will is okay already. It depends on your document format, actually, the characteristic of the document. So you will, so you can write lah. If you want the business, put the business. Okay, business, they allow you will. See, they allow. Academic, they don't allow. Academic, they don't allow. Okay, you will. So you have to click it, then you can change it. If you're worried, okay. So this is the features lah. So another one is blue color. You see the blue color. The main issue have been spotted by. Okay, they said they say what passive voice. Give you guidance, guide you. They say, be to your reader and give you guidance. Okay lah, guide you, they really guide you. And to do a revision, and to revise. Okay, this one you don't want to change also can. The content is still considered correct, but they want to make it better quality of the English. So you can try to change this one. Okay. Okay, so another feature is the plagiarism. This one, plagiarism. This is the plagiarism. This is only checking the content. Cannot compare with the Turnitin. Please don't compare with the Turnitin. Turnitin is for all the articles searching the content plagiarism rate checking. This is not Turnitin. This is only helping you to find any content similar in the website online only. Okay. 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 So this one settled already. And now we go to the Qbot. Okay, go to Qbot. Okay, this is the Qbot, Qbot. Okay, Qbot. Qbot is for the paraphrasing purpose. Okay, I go to copy this one, copy a bit lah. Put here. Okay, put here, paraphrase. Okay, you see, just now, when you're already using this kind of the if you're using the full version, a premium version, then you can Grammarly has found. Okay, I don't want found, I want detected, I want identify, I want discover. Then you can change one. Has located lah, located. So before that, may I know how many percentage already changes? We just click the statistic here. Wait, the statistic. Give feedback. Compare mode. No, not this one. Statistic. This one, statistic, this one, statistic. Okay. So you can see the statistic. Wow, they changed 71% based on this based on this 71%. So totally your plagiarism rate will reduce a bit. But I want to give some advice, everyone, very important. Please don't copy paste directly for what they suggest to you for you. If I'm you, I will like, located. Okay, this one I want. This one I don't want, then go back lah. Okay. I don't want, then I go back. Don't do everything that you say, I just already copy paste. No. And another one is, let's say, I don't want the system change for me is Grammarly, this keyword or grammatical error, I don't want you to change, right? I click the freeze button. I can add on the freeze button. Okay, this one, grammatical error, I copy, I put here. Then every time they saw the grammatical error, they will not change for you. This is called freeze word. You can add on, then add into this part. Okay, into this part. Okay, this is called freeze word. And the blue color, the yellow color, the red color, you can see the difference here. You still can change. See? Essay, click the essay. What is the meaning of the essay? Article, they click article. As shown by, as evident by, and demonstrated by, and indicated by, then you can change anything what you want. But please don't directly copy paste based on what the Qbot suggested. Directly put into your thesis. No, don't do it. Okay. Okay, don't do it. Okay, so here got a lot of features like grammar checker. You want to try out, you also can try lah. You see, of course, Grammarly and Qbot a little bit different now. Okay, Qbot when they first starting the develop the Qbot this software, right? Actually, they are mainly only for purpose for paraphrasing. Grammarly is only for proofreading, but even proofreading they also got added on some of the features lah. But this one, I show to you, see, copy. They also can correct some of the grammatical. I see, grammar checker. See, help fix those two. See, hot, how, more about the arrow. See, more about the arrow. If you're worried, worried. Some of the word they are still able to do for you. Of course, Grammarly, they can suggest more different type of word lah. You see, Grammarly got how many here? Grammarly suggests based on what is your goal. Based on what is your goal. Okay, because they got a lot of users, so actually they can understand human better lah. Okay, and for the keyboard, you see, wow, here got so many format, the paraphrasing. This plagiarism checker, you want to use also can, you can upload your file, but there is only for premium users, every month you only can do 20 pages, actually only one manuscript gone. You want to mine more pages also can. This is the new features they already developed. Okay, this field I did not use much because still not very not very matured yet lah. Like the citation generator, summarizer, they only shortened it lah. So you can try see which one is more better for you lah. Okay, but I fully focus on the paraphraser. The paraphraser is the top one right now. Of course, cannot compare with human. Okay, no matter what you did, if you're worried about the quality, better send to the professional proofreader before you want to submit to the high impact journal. Okay. For the low impact journal, usually they don't care about your English. They care about your money only. I just want to inform you. So this depends. You want to publish easily with or you want to publish in a high impact, even very difficult, but your name is there. And this depends on you which one you want to choose. Okay. So of course I hope everyone can publish into the high impact journal and also come with a very good English level lah. Okay. So this one, the synonym, usually I only will select one level. I don't select too many level because too many level is mean the accuracy will be dropped lah. And got so many mode, I choose standard enough. Okay, I got so many lah. You want to shorten, you expand, I choose a standard mode. And my way of using standard and only synonym one level. Because I know even I choose one level and only standard level, right? The keyboard already changed a lot for me. Okay, so need to be careful, everyone. And last thing I want to show you is called compare mode. Some people, they don't like to choose one by one. They prefer to choose, they prefer to do everything on the spot. You see, this one standard, the result is this. You click here, I see, I click one, here is changing. I click one, here is changing. See, it depends on which one you want. Okay, so you want standard mode, you want fluency mode. Yeah, you see, got a lot actually. Simple mode, creative mode also got. Okay, so this is very useful. Compare mode, very useful. Okay, so this is the keyboard for the paraphrasing function. Paraphrasing, okay, paraphrasing. Let's go. Let's see, got any questions? Okay. I cannot find email. I am okay. But I would like to, okay. Search engine macam Scopus akan turun ke status. I don't think so. If the search engine don't have this kind of information, unless you have to go to the original website. Yeah, the slide will be provided later on. Why cannot copy paste the corrected Grammarly, doctor? What do you mean corrected Grammarly? Actually, I think it's not copy paste. I cannot copy paste the Grammarly. No. I mean, I advise everyone don't directly copy paste everything from the software, because I found out a lot of people when their English and when their manuscript jeopardized, because of what, they already copy paste everything suggested based on the keyboard. When you do this kind of using this kind of software to help you to make the better quality, right? You have to use it wisely, You cannot say I copy everything. No. My concern is don't copy everything. You only can copy what you want. Oh, this one I want. Okay, this one enough. This one I want. Okay, this one enough. This one I don't want to change. Go back. I don't want to change. Go back. Okay, go back. This one I don't want to change. Go back. So if you copy everything, like actually, we cannot guarantee the things that suggested by by the keyboard is correct or not. We cannot guarantee. So but still need yourself to confirm it. Hey, wow, this one after corrected by keyboard, this sentence it make it nicer. Then in that moment, that is the thing that you can copy. Okay. Yeah, I will share the slide with you all. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Because proofreader always mention the keyboard can jeopardize your the content is correct if you did not use it wisely lah. Okay. If you did not use it wisely, but even I'm using this keyboard lah, the Grammarly. At the end I also will send to the professional proofreader because I know this money cannot save one. Better quality. My paper in my thesis, no people question about English. My English is not very good, So whenever I send to this kind of high impact journal, I also very headache. But who knows, after I send to proofread, I never encounter the English issue at all. Okay, so this is based on what I encountered. So I want to share with you lah. Okay, so anyone interested, I can go to Dr. Tawa. I think this one is the Facebook pages lah. Okay, so now we are going to find the perfect journal for your manuscript. Today, I would like to give you all one bonus template. This is the template, very, very, very useful. Okay, before I give you all the template, I want to demonstrate one only. Because so many, I already give you the link, so you all later go back, you can go to practice yourself lah. But I only want to demonstrate for you because this is my first choice, my priority. I will use this one, journal finder based on the Elsevier. Okay, so we go to the Elsevier. Okay. Okay, Elsevier, I go to find one paper. Which one paper? Okay lah, this lah. Consider this paper. Because I don't have the any paper, so I just find the topic. Wait, I find the topic. Wait, give me a while. Let me copy. Oh, I got open too many. Let me close some first. Okay. I think I use back mine better. Okay. I copy my own. Okay. Use this one. I just want to explain to you on this keyword and field research. Usually I didn't input also can. Okay. Wow, got 49 journal. The journal finance this written to me, ask me can choose lah. Okay, I want to inform everyone one more time. This one is only suggestion based on the computer. It's not very accurate. It's not very accurate. It's only can be used as a reference. So today I'm going to teach you, I'm going to share with you two technique. Very important technique. It's very simple only. This is based on my experience. The first step is what? Use this kind of the journal finder to narrow down. Maybe you can choose the top 10 or top 5 journal that you are going to publish. Based on what? Based on what? How do you categorize it based on what? First thing that you need to know is journal aim and scope. Make sure your journal aim and scope is related to you after you read it. If that journal aim and scope is related to you, then you only say, yes, take it. If not related to you, let's say your research is related to the adult, but your journal one paper who is related to the children, can you submit or not? Of course, no. You get rejected within 1 month, 1 day, 1 week, 2 weeks, 2 months, also possible. Don't waste your time. Okay? Read the journal aim and scope easy and carefully. Okay? Another thing is acceptance rate. If this acceptance rate and also the And also the time to publication, time to first decision is very long, right? And then you don't need to try out the accident rate, like they say it's only 7%, 5%. If you let me choose, I will choose the higher one. Impact factor is depends on you lah. See whether you want to submit to the Q1 or Q2 or Q3 or Q4. Site score is belong to scopers. Impact factor is belong to WOS. You have to understand about these terms. Okay, this Tech Max score for me is because based on the article, based on the keyword just now I input. Okay, even here got 100%, actually sometimes also not very accurate. Even here got 2 bar only, sometimes also very difficult or also very accurate. This one you need to know. Okay, so this one, wow, this one very good. Impact factor. Last time I think it's only 5. Now already increased until 11. Okay, computer and education. 2 weeks to publication. Time to first decision, 4 weeks. Acceptance rate became lower already. Okay. Okay, this one acceptance rate very high. You can come here to try to see lah. Okay. And another thing is what you need, how to make sure which one you choose. I already summarized it, become a template. This is the template. Let me show you the template. Later on, you can download this template. Put the priority. Why I want you to put a priority? Can you confirm one time you submit, you already can get published? No, right? So that's why we need to put a priority. If the first one fail, then second one, second one cannot, third one. So you don't need to waste your time every time your paper get rejected. You need to waste 1 day, 2 days to research again. No lah, don't need. Last time I don't have this template. I always, every time my paper get rejected, I have to waste 1 day or 2 days to go to read the journal MS Scott again, searching and searching again, and wasting my time. So today you don't need to waste your time anymore. Use this template. You can modify based on your own and make it better quality also. Can you see what information I want? Put the journal name, the indexing score, the quartile, the indexing WOS, quartile, indexing database is what, SCIE or SCIE, or and indexing impact factor, WOS, meet or not meet, similar research published, yes or no, yes, scope, what is the scope, education, technology, and what, is it accurate, match scope or not, the subject area, language and linguistic, match or not, the target audience, is it target audience correct or not, the review speed, 4 weeks, fast decision, meet or not, acceptance rate 7%, frequency. This one also important. Frequency issue per year. I like it. 6 over a year. 6 times a year means 2 months, 1 time. So if only 1 year, one time per year, okay, please don't. If this is for people who can wait. For us, we cannot wait one. Okay. Okay, so publication time, open access APC. The free, yes. Every time people like to ask, WON need to pay or not? If you want it to be paid because you want to make it as an open access, yes, very expensive. This one also important, everyone. Word limit. You submit an article around 10,000 words to a journal that only accept 8,000. Where your paper get accepted or not? No lah, reject. Because you did not listen to the instruction guideline. The outer guideline. Okay, manuscript guideline, very important. You have to read it. Where do you get the manuscript guideline? When you want to submit the manuscript, they will ask you to sign up the account, then they will ask you to read it carefully. Last thing, those 3 things. Suggestion. Your SV suggests or not? Yes. Your core SV suggests or not? No. Your core author suggests or not? No. So your final decision, yes, no, no. Okay? Do it this way. Or you can make it in a better way also can. I already make it a nicer version now. Okay? If you are unable to select the best one, but you have the budget, then you can ask expert to suggest for you. This is the link. Okay? You can ask got a lot. Use Journal Finder to filter the top 5 to top 10 okay? This one very important okay? This is a step. I summarize for you already Okay, so this is the thing that you can get it now. Let me give you. You can go to download now. Very useful one. I read a lot of resources, then I summarize everything for you all. Okay, got any other questions? No questions. Okay, the other questions, we go to another one. Okay, so this one very important Last time I always get my paper get rejected, so I think every time reject I feel I spend few days to find a new journal, because why I always forget, because my paper get rejected after 1 month, after 2 months, then I have to wasted one time, 1 day, 2 day again. So if now you do this, you prepare everything. So next time when your journal get rejected, don't need to waste your time. Directly jump into the second journal, publish. Format you have the format, then publish. I'm not publish and submit. Okay? Okay, don't need to find again. Don't need to search again. Okay? Can save your time. Save your time. Okay, so now we want to talk about the productivity app. Productivity app. Okay, when talk about a productivity app, if you want to do the the poster, right? You want to design the poster, right? Okay, when you want to design a poster, you can go to the Canva edu. This Canva edu, they got provide the free for the edu person, Canva edu. You have to sign up Canva education. I think UTM also can get it for free okay? You have to get verified, then you can get it for free. Okay, I give you the link so you can get it. As a student, very good, right? You can get a lot of benefit. Lecturer also can get, no worry. Okay, so another thing is not at if you are doing a PhD or master, I suggest you better you got one not app like Evernote To Do is Google Keep Don't only drive on the manual no Evernote also good. Evernote they got give you 50 megabyte or 25 megabyte per month. I forget already. And the price is very cheap, only 1 year around 100, I think. Student price you all can subscribe. Evernote, even doctor also using on it. Medical doctor also using on it because easy. They can save the images the content upload to the cloud, access view handphone mobile app your website also can. Okay, the Evernote calendar, Google Calendar. This one I just want to share with everyone if you are a student, you are doing the PhD, make sure you also need to go in the Google Calendar. This is for you to remind your collaborator, your supervisor, your friend during the meeting. Remind them. Do you know why? I was encountered last time when during a meeting, we only use WhatsApp message 2 days before. Suddenly the people forget. But if you got calendar, right, their handphone, they will pop up a message say, oh, 1 hour the meeting is coming. 1 day the meeting is coming. You can set a notification easy. Okay. So you have to utilize this kind of a technology. Okay. And another software called Gantt chart. Gantt chart, if your university already provided you the system for you to fill in the report, then they generate the Gantt chart for you, and then you don't need But if you want to always report to your supervisors, to your members, to your collaborator, you want to show, then you can use the TeamGun. TeamGun actually is one of the software is free. They can create one project for free. Okay. If more than one, you have to buy if you have a huge team, you want to collaborate with people, you want to assign a task, then you can use another software called Trello. Trello also got free, also free one, also got free function. Okay, another one I want to share with you everyone today. This one is very good and free. It's free. It's totally free. Let me show you. Tiny WOW. Okay, Tiny WOW. Can you see? I want to convert Word to PDF, PNG to PDF. I click this one only, then I upload. I can upload. Okay, I can upload. Okay, write full text. I can upload. Okay, convert a doc. Sorry, I give the wrong doc already to PDF. Let them to convert. See whether they can convert or not. This is totally free. So it's not only one function they can convert. See, I download. Save the device. See? Yeah, already can get the PDF now. So you don't need to have any. If you suddenly go to remember this website in Tiny WOW, Tiny WOW. Okay, I go to this one again. Tiny WOW. Okay, so many. You see, what do you want? Undock PDF. This one you can try lah. I'm not sure 100% if you can put the password. Sometimes cannot. The depends on your password level lah. Compress the video. You can compress the video. If Facebook download, extract images, rotate PDF, URL to JPEG, crap PDF, EPUB. See this one good. Sometimes you get the reader. You want to convert, you cannot convert. Move MOV to MP4. Everything is here. Everything is here. You can go to convert. Okay. This one is totally gems. You can get everything here. Okay. Meme maker also can. You want to make your maker. Okay. So this one you can go to try out the features here. Okay. Anyone else got any question you can ask now? No questions. Google Keep or Evernote better? For me, Google Keep is totally free lah. The UI very simple only lah. For if you got budget, you can buy Evernote. But Evernote, the user interface is better. Evernote is better. Google Keep is Google free product. Evernote is better. What about the flowchart creator of figure is the SW? This one you have to try out. I did not try all the functions here. I did not try all the functions here. What about the flowchart creator of figures illustrator? Usually I'm using the AI. I'm using the AI to do my design. But if the normal one, this one I'm not too sure about. Okay, because I only using the AI to do the design sometimes. Okay. Let's go another one. Okay, one last thing I want to share with you all is called Easy Scholar. This one, I gave you the link, Easy Scholar. This one is quite useful for UTM student. Do you know why? Because UTM also focusing on the WON and Scopus, right? So this one very important. Let me share with you. We go to this website, install the Google Chrome plugin. Install the Google Chrome plugin. After you install, then you go to the Google Scholar. Go to the Google Scholar. Okay, put the machine learning and deep learning. Okay, after I put this title, can you see the Chinese word, right? How come got so many Chinese words? Because this is from China people, they develop the plugin. I just need to translate to English, Google Chrome, then everything will become English. Okay, everything will become English. This is translation. Cannot, the meaning will be running out of a little bit lah. Okay, but the more important I want to show you is what? If you are doing the SSCI, you already know this paper is Q2 journal. You don't need to go to the journal citation report. You don't need to walk into the journal citation report. You already can get the Q2. It's very convenient, right? Okay. I think in the future maybe they will add on the Scopus lah. If they are able to add on the Scopus, it's better lah. So next time you don't need to go inside the Scopus to check the Q1, Q2, or Q3 already. Okay, so you can see SJCI 1.44. This is a new index. See, journal citation indicator. This is the new index by the WOS. Everyone, JCI is a new index. Okay, but still belong to WOS. You just make sure the impact factor enough lah. Yeah, just understand the impact factor. Okay. The Chinese one, just right click, then you can become English already. Okay, see SCI Q1. SCI Q1. Change to English. Okay, because now they still don't have the English version yet. So usually I do this way lah. Okay, so this one is quite useful, so I introduce to you all. Okay, next. Okay, last thing last thing I want to inform everyone. If you're a researcher, what is the most important? This 4 website actually is the most important for you. ResearchGate. you are a student or you are academicians, you need to have a Facebook account. No, you need to have a ResearchGate account. ResearchGate account actually is a social media for you to ask questions, for you to share your research work, for you to know people, for people to follow you, for you to follow other people. Okay, to expand your visibility. This is ResearchGate. And one good thing is once you already got the ResearchGate, right? Every time if your paper cited by somebody, if your paper cited by somebody else, right? You will always get the notification to your email. Oh, your paper A already cited by who. So it's from the ResearchGate. Very good. And another one is ORCID. This ORCID is everyone have a unique ID for researcher. So you need to create one account, especially when you want to submit to the Scopus and also the WOS. You need to have one. You need to have one. Okay, you need to have one. And for the Facebook, I think this is one of the doctorates program you all can join for you to ask the question, for you to know people, to know some information inside there. Especially if you need some help, maybe you still can ask inside lah. So this group is quite useful, especially when you're doing the research. Sometimes you want to get to know people, how they feel, what is the feeling on during they have suffering. So you can try people go sharing how they solve the problem you inside the group. This is also quite good group you can join as well. Okay, academic and academic platform and the academia.stack exchange. This one is for the one for the asking the question. And one more. Sorry, I still got one more. Is effective academic. When I already give you all the good one. This one. Effective. Yes, this one. Yeah, this one. This group you all can join also. This one always shared by Dr. Tava related to the effective writing. Effective academic writing. Wait, academic writing. Okay, so you all can go to try out lah. So it's quite useful actually. Okay, academic writing. Okay, so easy for you all lah. Okay, so Q&A is for you to ask a question related to the academic ResearchGate. You also can ask a question. This is the IC, the identity. So everyone have a number for researcher. This one you need it. Okay. So these are all the field you can join better. Okay. So this is actually my suggestion for you all. My suggestion for you all lah. Okay. So now is the Q&A sections. Before running into Q&A section, make alert for Google Scholar. Yes, Google Scholar alert very important. Okay, Google Scholar alert very important. If you are not using Google Scholar alert, you use a Scopus alert. WOS alert also good lah. But I always will make the alert in the important content. What is important content? Let's say you're doing a research called machine learning, and then your technique, you use a technique called technique A. Okay, this technique A is got people do lah, but not much people doing within the last 5 years. So you better go to create a search query called technique A and also the machine learning or any related keyword lah. So send the information to your email. Once already have some people publish related, right? Totally you can get the notification. How to arrange our writing progress versioning? Any new tips for new students? Oh, I see. You means the writing progress versioning. Okay, okay. I show to you my style lah. Let's say this is my document, my PhD lah. Okay, my PhD, my file lah. Okay. So first time usually you will write chapter 1. Okay. Chapter 1. Okay. v1.docx. Okay. This is what you did, right? The first version. v1. Okay. Then after you already put the content, let's say you put the content, you write the content. Okay. Very simple only. I write the content, write the content, you save. Okay. So before you want to send to the second people, right? I always do this way lah. I do this way lah. I send the v1.2. Okay. Then v1.2, maybe I say waiting review by SV. Okay, I can put something like this. Then after your SV already give you back the copy, right? Okay, give you back the copy. Maybe you can put v1.3. Okay, review by SV. Not yet correct. You can do something like this. Not yet correct. And then after you already do the correction, right? Then you can put v1.4. 1.4. Okay, correction done. Okay, resubmit to SV. Okay, macam tu. Okay, so after that keep edit, then you can get v1.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, 0.20 until a lot actually. So this is the version you have to do lah. Every time you already put a version, then you have to put remark. What is the purpose of it behind? Easy for us lah, easy for us to understand. Okay. So this is the date it depends on you. If you want to put the date also can. You can put 2022 09 21. You can put the date format like this. But it is depends on people they want to put the date or not lah. For me, sometimes I put, sometimes I didn't put. But the content, what is the task what is the important task I always will put inside there lah. Okay. This is the versioning lah, the versioning. Okay. Is it okay, Isa? Make sure one thing, everyone. Don't only save the copy into your computer. Please use the Google Cloud. Better use the Google Drive or either the Dropbox. Every time save this copy. Okay? Save a latest copy. Even now, my PhD, I think how many years already? 8 years ago, my content is still in the cloud. So the file is still there lah. So I never encounter the data loss because I always do the backup into 2 cloud, the Dropbox and also the drive. And I also backup to the hard disk. So my data don't have any issue lah. And this is the first thing that you need to know lah when you're starting to do a research. Cannot rely on the hard disk only. You cannot rely on the external hard disk only. You have to use the cloud storage nowadays. If you're not using, please start now. Try to do it now. Save a Google Drive like me. Save a Google Drive here. Okay, every time you open, then you can get the latest file. Okay. Okay. Good. Anyone else got any questions? Okay. Wait. Just now I forget to share you. This is my Telegram. So my Facebook, which is my Facebook? No, this one. YouTube. If you want to know more about the software, I think here I got published around 30 software. You can, if you got time, you can go to find out. And very deep ones, Mendeley also got published 3 video lah. You can go to find this Mendeley 1, 2, 3, part 1, part 2, part 3. You can go. Then Sci-Hub, this one I think last time I already demonstrated on how to get the Sci-Hub paper, right? So today I did not demonstrate on the spot. So you all can want to know more how to get the article easily using the Sci-Hub method. You can go here. You want to find a national thesis, you can go here. Research productivity translation, you can go to use this one. I already give left and right how to use a full version. You can go here. Okay, a lot actually. Everything I already explained in here. This is the training section I conducted last time. So if you are interested, you can put in here. Okay, you can put in here. Okay, wait. Okay, wait, ada apa soalan lagi tak? Okay. So anyone interested also can join my Telegram group. This is my Telegram group. You can join Telegram group. Okay. In next time got any workshop, I will inform you all as well. I'm more focusing on sharing the useful software for you to speed up your research work lah. Actually, easy one, easy to pick up lah. So it's not like very long. If I found other software is very difficult to pick up and take a long time to pick up, usually I did not recommend. Because when we already spend a lot of time in doing research, we still want to waste a lot of time in understand one software. So at the end, I think better no. So I try, but you see, all the software I show to you actually is very easy to understand. There are limited free storage for Dropbox. Any unlimited storage, Prof can recommend. No. I'm not yet Prof. Okay, no free storage actually. You utilize other people work software there must be pay one. Dropbox you can get up to 18 GB, 16 GB free. You have to refer a lot of people. One people you refer, you get 500 megabyte. You can go to find out. Okay, so now I got 20 plus of the 23 GB. Hello, Liu, please mute your mic. Okay, so Dropbox they can give you 15 GB lah. So which if the people give you unlimited free storage, do you dare to use or not? I don't dare to use actually, because that is totally not a good company one. So your data is gone, then totally gone. If you send the this kind of data sync to the reputable the like Dropbox, like Google Drive, the data gone, you don't need to worry, you still have backup. They will do it for you. We have a good rollback system. Okay, so better pay for it. Better pay for it. Yeah. Any unlimited storage. Dropbox actually got unlimited storage, but you need to pay. Google Drive also said that. Okay, so this one settled already. Do you have any other questions? Anyone else? Any other questions?
Okay, any questions for Dr. Chew? Yeah, you can use this opportunity to ask him questions relating to any research tools.
Can. Please ask. Okay, before we are waiting for your question to so anyone just now I already informed if you're interested to get the trial of the Site.ai only for the UTM student so please fill in this form. Okay, I already gave you the form. Please fill in and make sure you sign up the account for Site.ai and Grammarly. Okay, for the Scholarly, don't need to sign up. Scholarly don't need to sign up. They will sign up for you. Okay, so let me give you one more time. Sign up now. Fill in this form. You want to get I want to try Grammarly, the Grammarly email address. What you need to sign up first. Need to sign up first. For Scholarly, you don't need to sign up, but you need to make sure it's only for UTM student. Site.ai also same. Slido AI only for UTM student staff. Okay. So after you already fill in, please join this WhatsApp group. Okay. Anyone interested, you can join this WhatsApp group. Let me share with you. Temporary WhatsApp group lah. After the end of trial, then I just will remove it. This is for the temporary WhatsApp group for you all to enjoy the trial. Okay. Fill in the form. Fill in the form. Later on, I will send you all the instruction on how to get the for Slido.ai. I need to send the name list for the scholarship. Later on, I will give you a link. Then you sign up. You can directly get 1 month after that. Okay, you can directly get 1 month for trial. One email need to use the at graduate.utm.my and also at utm.my. Then you can try out. You can join the WhatsApp group first. See whether after that you want to try or not lah. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Any other questions?
Maybe while waiting for the questions, we can have a photo taking session, Dr. Chu. Is it okay?
Okay, can no problem.
So
Let's
while
stop
we
the
are
share.
taking pictures, maybe there will be more questions later. So can we just switch on the cameras for a while? Dr. Chu, can you stop sharing so that we can take picture?
Can. Let me start the sharing. Wait.
Okay, so while we're taking pictures, you can think of questions that you would like to ask Dr. Chu. I don't know which frame you guys will be in, so just keep on smiling while I take pictures, yeah? Okay, so let me take let me see how many frames. Okay, let me take the first frame. Okay, so just keep on smiling. Okay, let me take for the first one. 1, 2, 3. Okay, hold on. Let me just paste this. Okay, hold on, yeah. Okay, let me take the other frame, the next frame. Okay, so just keep on smiling. Okay, there's only one frame. Okay, so now the next frame. Okay. Okay, the next frame, there's nobody is switching on the camera. Okay. Okay, one more. You just smile. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me just paste this. Okay, so you can think of any questions that you want to ask Dr. Chu.
Can.
Dr. Chu,
Can.
how you want to get a discount for the like Grammarly or QuickBolt?
Oh yeah, later on you can message me for the keyboard. Actually, they asked me to help them promote. So everyone interested to get a 20%, then you can message me. I can give you the instruction on how to get a 20%. Yeah.
Okay.
The grammar, everything also same.
Okay. Thank you.
Or if all is the original account, personal account lah. Because if you are using the sharing account, got one issue is your data being seen by somebody else lah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I think that's the picture. You can switch off your video now.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so any more questions for Dr. Chu?
Sorry, just now may I ask who is asking me? I forget.
I think that was Dr. Saiful.
Oh, Dr. Saifu. Okay. So later on, Dr. Saifu is interested. Also, can message me or ask the Dr. Hazalifa.
Okay.
Uh,
I think there's some more questions, Dr. Chu.
I'm currently use the free Grammarly. Is it enough to be used? Jay, you can try the one that I share with you later on. You try 2 weeks, see whether any different, whether you like the premium version or only the free version. Usually, after people try, they cannot go back anymore. So because they can detect more error based on the same content. Okay, join Telegram. Okay, for this one, anyone interested to get a trial, you join this temporary WhatsApp group. So later on, I will give the instruction inside. The Telegram is my personal group lah, discussion group. So usually, if got the information, I will share inside the Telegram. You also can join. This is my Telegram. Wait, let me give you. Sorry, typo. Yeah, this one. T.me/ELSkill.
Okay. Sorry, Dr. Chu, I think there's one more question
Okay.
about illustration software. Let me see. Okay, it's from Abdul Rahman. Again, Doctor, if I may to ask about any illustration tools to draw figures.
Yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
this one just now I got answer already. Usually I draw figures. I'm using the AI and I'm visual project, but I seldom focus on these tools. But it's a good question. Next time I found out, I will share info in the group. I'm not very familiar with this kind of illustration tools. For the draw figures for the poster, I'm only focusing on using the Canva only. Canva.
I think Aziz suggested Inkspace for
Inkspace.
illustration. Yeah, Inkspace. I don't know whether it's Linkspace or Inkspace, but that is for illustration. This is suggestion from Azri
Or
Aziz.
Inkscape. Inkscape.
Oh, sorry, Inkscape space. Sorry, my bad. Inkscape, yeah.
Okay. Oh yeah, I did not use this one. Not good in design yet. Okay.
Okay, let me see whether there's any other. Yeah, Canva is a great tool. I use Canva as well. It's very simple.
Yeah, totally free for education. Okay.
Okay,
Any still have any questions?
any questions? I think if they have other questions after this, they might be able to ask you directly. Can they, Dr. Chu? Is it
Sorry?
okay? Can they ask you after this? Let's say they don't have any questions now. You know,
Can
like our students.
you all join the WhatsApp group, so if you got
Mhm.
any question, you also can already ask me.
Yeah. So
Uh,
if you want to ask more, maybe you can join the WhatsApp group, the one that Dr. Chu has given. Okay.
Dr. Saifu interested in that Grammarly later on can message me also. I will give you the instruction.
Oh.
Okay, I think maybe there's no more questions. It's already 4:40. Okay, most of us probably are quite tired. You know, it's very the tools that you have described is very, very interesting. A lot to digest. So maybe we can give them time to go through the slides, to go through the recording, and after that there may be more questions. So please join Dr. Chu's WhatsApp group so that you can ask questions regarding the tools. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. And at the same time, later on, I will give I think I never generate a PDF or I already give you all now. So easy. And I already
Okay.
give the PDF. So you all can get the PDF. If not later on, forget. Okay, share. Let me give the link. Share. Okay. You all see whether can get the slide or not. Can get the slide? I already all my information is inside there. All my information is okay.
Yes,
Good.
inside the Dropbox, is it? Okay, all right.
Very good. Enjoy all the software that I share with you all, and especially for the template, the journal submission template. That one is very important. Well, last time I experienced it. Every time I rejected one paper, I wasted few days. Totally wasted 1 month also got, I think. Okay, welcome everyone. Thank you, Dr. Hazifah and also Dr. Saiful for
Okay.
inviting me as a
Okay.
speaker.
All right. Okay. Thank you, Dr. Chu. Thank you for agreeing to come again this year. We had you last year. We really enjoyed it last year, so that's why we called you again. So hopefully you can come again next year for another talk.
Next
Right.
year had to change a lot.
All right. So thank you, everyone. We appreciate you being here. So please make sure you sign in to the attendance. Yeah. Okay. So thank you, Dr. Chu. Thank you very
Okay,
much.
thank you,
And
thank you.
good.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.
Bye.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullah. Thank you so much.
Okay,
Thank you,
thank you.
organizer.
Okay, bye-bye.
وعليكم السلام ورحمة الله وبركاته.